Mike from Dirtydog back with you today. I'm going to show you how to do an install on the new rear sunscreen on the Jeep JT Gladiator pickup. The front screen installation is the same as the other two JL2 and JL4 door. You can check that video for that installation. This is going to show you this installation. It's a little bit different. We've added additional brackets to give you that little extra headroom in the back. It is tight in the back here. If you're an adult and you're in the back, the sunscreen's going to hit you in the head. By adding these little brackets, we lift the sunscreen a couple inches higher, so it gives you a little more headroom. So in the kit, you're going to have 6 of these little flat brackets. They're going to be black in your kit. This one's not painted here. And you're going to mount them in 3 positions on the truck here. You've got existing screws that are holding on your black trim piece. And there's one here, there's one here, and there's one here. I've got these 2 brackets installed already. And what we're going to do is we're just going to remove this bolt here. I'll show you how it's done. So you're gonna grab your wrench you got from Jeep with it. We've included a bit in the kit. So put that bit in. You're gonna loosen this bolt off, with the screw off, sorry. And you're gonna just put in through like that, and you're gonna put it back in place. There you go. So you got 3 on each side. So you got 1, 2, 3, and then you got 3 on the other side. So we've got all 6 installed now. Now we're going to install the screen. So the best way to identify the screen is the Dirtydog logo goes towards the back on the outside. So you're going to put it in. It's pretty simple how it lines up. You've got your 3 straps here. Will line up with the 3 brackets we put on. So just take your bottom strap and install these very loosely. You're going to go around and adjust them after. So just install each one, just put it through an inch or 2 just to get it installed. I'll do the other side. Okay, now that we've got the 3 on each side installed, we've got this one at the front corner, and this one just goes, you have a long strap goes across the front of the roll bar, comes up the side here, and then connects into the ladder lock. So now once you get each one installed, you can take a look at from all directions and go around, see where you need adjustment, where you need to pull tighter, take out any of the folds in the screen, and you can see it from there. It looks good. Now the last thing I want to show you is got these little straps here. You can hide these easily, and I'm going to bring it a little close up here and show you how I do this. Now if you see what I'm doing here, basically take that strap, get yourself nice and tight, and you're going to see like a little slot there that the straps are through. You're just going to push it through and covers it up and locks in. You can do that with each one of those straps. Once you get it positioned tightly, just find one of the little slots where the strap pass through, and you can get it in there. Pass. Same with this one. And this is how you clean them up, make them look nice and neat. And then once you get them tucked in there, yeah, and they'll stay in there. And that's it. Have a good day.